Why were the Quraysh so afraid of Islam?
Every day more people are listening to him. We must do something, or else we will lose everything we have.
7th century Mecca. The Kaaba was surrounded by idols, and tribes from all across Arabia traveled there to worship them. This gave Quraysh wealth, power, and influence. But then Prophet Muhammad ﷺ proclaimed, "There is no God worthy of worship except Allah." And suddenly everything began to change. Islam challenged their idols, their pride, and the power they held over Mecca. And eventually most of the Quraysh accepted Islam.